Strength training. In this video, I'm going to explain what strength training is and how we go about getting stronger in the safest fashion. Now, let's be clear. Strength training is the easiest, fastest way for you to change your body shape. But if done incorrectly, with poor form, it can be costly to your joints, lower back, and can really set you back. If you are a beginner and you want to increase strength, I would highly recommend you train with somebody who can show you how to do and perform all the exercises correctly, or hire a PT in from the gym or somebody who knows what they're doing. So somebody who can teach you what you need to know to do things right. Public health guidelines primarily focus on the promotion of physical activity and steady state aerobic exercise, which enhances cardiorespiratory fitness and has some impact on body composition. However, research demonstrates that resistant exercise training, which includes strength training, has profound effects on the musculoskeletal system, contributing to the maintenance of functional abilities and prevents things like osteoporosis and sarcopenia, which is loss of bone and muscle mass. So lower back pain and other disabilities. Most recent seminal research demonstrates that resistance training may positively affect risk factors such as insulin resistance, resting metabolic rate, glucose metabolism, blood pressure, body fat, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Research also indicates that virtually all benefits of resistance types training likely to be obtained in 2 15 to 20 minute training sessions per week. So sensible resistance training involves precise controlled movements for each major muscle group and does not require the use of stupidly heavy resistance. Again, there is a line of caution between getting stronger sensibly and leaving your ego at the door of the gym and putting yourself in danger of injury by going too heavy with lifting silly weights. Yes, it's very difficult to gauge between the two. And after watching the last video on progressive overload, you still need to be sure that in some way you are still progressing. But again, this is where the RPE scale comes into practice. Key pointers of strength training, things you need to know. So adopting the 5 reps of 5 sets is a good way to improve strength. So you don't have to go down the realms of 1 rep maxes or even 3 rep maxes, unless you are an advanced trainer. So if you aren't an advanced trainer, I would stay away from them. Make sure you're having at least 2 to 4 minute rest in between each set for maximum amount of recovery. Use back belts or knee supports to protect your knees and back. Accept that you won't get stronger every time you lift. In fact, you will definitely plateau when your body has caught up and you've reached its limit. But this doesn't mean that you won't still get stronger. It just requires more patience for the adherence, because the process now, after you've plateaued, will slow down and it's going to, you start off getting really strong really quick and then you massively plateau down. But you still progress, it just requires more patience. Rest each muscle group at least 40 hours before using them again. Don't use big leaps in weight. Increasing the load by 1 kilo is enough. If you are unsure about if you are lifting with good form, ask somebody to watch you, or even film yourself with your phone. You can film yourself from the side to make sure your back alignment's good, your shoulders are back, straight back. From the front to make sure your knees are going over your toes. Yeah, put your little phone up, make sure you're filming yourself as well. Especially if you're doing things like squats and deadlifts. Right, next one. Use a different variety of exercises to keep your muscles guessing. Variety challenges your muscles and forces them to adapt. Use the RPE scale to gauge the difficulty of the weight. If you want to strengthen a specific area like your arms, remember this bit is the weakest part of your body, and the only way this is going to happen is if you're going to focus on your arms, your biceps, your triceps, your flexors, your extensors, your forearm, as well as your grip. So benefits of strength training: it improves body health. Blood sugar, reduces risk of diabetes, cancer, stress and anxiety, lowers blood pressure, risk of heart failure, decreases risk of osteoporosis and sarcopenia, and so on and so on. Life will become easier. Everyday tasks will feel easier. You will be able to do everyday tasks like lifting, carrying, walking upstairs, carrying your kids around, greater with ease. Weight training can improve your overall body flexibility. Increased flexibility increases the risk of muscle pulls and back pains. Less chance of getting injured. Stronger muscles, tendons, ligaments are less likely to give way under stress and are less likely to be injured. Increased bone density and strength reduces back and knee pain by building the muscles around them areas. Posture, the way you sit, stand, everybody does that when they mention the word posture, is influenced by our health, a network of shoulders, back, hips and abdominal muscles. So stronger muscles can help you stand and sit straighter and more comfortably. Improved balance and stability. Stronger muscles and bigger muscles results in an increase in your metabolism because of mitochondria cells. More muscle, more mitochondria. Mitochondria is fat-burning cells in your muscles, stored in your muscles. So improvements in body shape. Strength training will improve your body shape completely. Improvements in state of mind. It will help with stress and help build a strong resilience against all the pressures in life. So not only strengthen your body, but strengthen there too.